Hi everyone, good morning, good afternoon everyone. It's been a while, it's been a long time where we're not going to say we stopped our show, but because of the holidays, so we took a break. So still, I am going to tell everyone a happy late Thanksgiving. Even some of you are not celebrating Thanksgiving, but still happy late Thanksgiving. So we are going to talk today about certain things that in the school bus industry and our union, school bus driver and escort, we all have to know, and we all have to alerting about certain things that's happening. First of all, for each of you, I would like you to share this video, and I will wait until more people come up and to give you this message. So I'm trying to do this video in Creole and English. Mostly when I do it in Creole, people saying, why don't you do it in English? So when I do it in English, mostly people calling say, yo, you gotta be in English. It's a country where people speak English. I understand that. So I'm gonna be in both languages, Creole and English. So once again, guys, thank you for being with us. Share the video. If you're a school bus attendant, if you're a school bus driver or escort, we have to be together. We have to get together. So this is, let me greet some of the people who do not speak English. They might be understand, but like you know, guys, a lot of people in the industry, a lot of different group, ethnic, they speak Creole, they speak French, they speak Spanish, they speak English. Some of them are African. It depends where they came from. They speak different languages and different dialects. So let me go a little bit in Creole and I will come back in English to explain exactly what will we be talking about. Like I'm going to be posting it on YouTube, where you have to share it, guys. You have to share it. It's very, very, very important. So bonsoir, bonjour tout le monde, que ce soit à côté que vous même vous pouvez regarder vidéo ça. Yon bonne fête Thanksgiving, il y a des gens qui relèvent fête Koden, qui pas en fête Koden. Peut-être nous avons yon fête Koden dans le pays d'Haïti, parce que nous connaissons coutume à pays d'Haïti. Chaque 2 janvier, eh bien, monde c'est Koden yo mange. Bon, ici, c'est pas fête Koden qui gagne, c'est Thanksgiving, les pilgrims avec Européens, eux même yo te vini pas bord ici. Yo te gonjan, yo te dîner, yo pas joindre l'autre bête enragé à côté de c'était Koden. Après ça, yo vinn commercialiser. All right. So, nous tout qui là, share vidéo ça. Que nous pourrons parler avec tout le monde dans la langue maman noire et puis nous pourrons faire virer dans la langue tonton Sam. Ce n'est pas une émission en créole seulement, mais c'est une émission en créole et en anglais. So, let me go back again, guys, with you in English. We're going to talk about meeting with 1181 board, the board union. We're going to talk about no rep at the workplace. And also we're going to talk about we need clear explanation about our 15% when school close, when the cities close school and we have to work and we have to get paid 85%. We don't have a justification. We don't have no one coming and tell us what is going on about those stuff. We only know or we only advise guys, so we're going to get paid 85%. All right? So, for those of you in Creole, for nous-mêmes qui parlons créole, qui comprennent créole, nous pourrons parler de points ça yo, on pourra nous la graine par graine. Créole, anglais, anglais, créole. C'est rencontrer ensemble avec 1181 board là. Nous pourrons parler avec, nous pas gagner rep, nous pas gagner représentant vraiment vrai dans workplace côté que nous travail là. Nous pourrons parler tout, nous besoin yon clear explication. Nous besoin yon explication comme quoi pour qui ça chaque temps si tu as fermé l'école, pour qui ça chaque temps à l'aide de COVID-19 eh bien nous-mêmes c'est 85% pour y payer nous. Et gen l'autre bagaille encore nous ka besoin parler qui est très important que m'pas mentionner que nous pourrons gagner pour nous parler ensemble. Je vais retourner en anglais parce que nous connaissons parfois les deux langues à parler. Il est plus facile pour me parler anglais parce que haïtien entendait un petit anglais. Mais il n'est pas facile pour l'autre nation yo qui pour entendre ya, yo même yo comprendre ça comme dire. Let me go back in English. Guys, let me tell you something. Straight up. Let's go to meeting with 11 board union. Since when we have a meeting? Since when we know what is going on our board union or on our union? It's been a year. It's been a year since we have meeting. It's been a year. So even sometimes when they have meeting, we don't really get some good information we need to know, or we don't get some good advice, or we would like to know what is going on between the employer and the city and our board union. We never did. So since last year, they just like, you know, turn back on us, let us in the like bunches of pigeons on the street, and no one is there to come in and tell us what is going on. We don't have nobody. There is so many ways the board union could have meeting like everybody else having meeting. They could have it on Facebook. They could have text on WhatsApp. They have all of those new technology now. They could do it in Zoom. They could do it with Zoom, like, you know, for every single members to log on and to tell us what is going on with our union. We don't have no information at all. You see the teachers union all over the places is making deal with the city. I understand. This is what I understood clearly. We don't really work for the city. We are a contractor of the city. That means we are working for a company who has a contract with the city. So the city don't even recognize our union. They don't have no deal with our union. I understood. Our union have deal with the company. Okay? But who pay us? Usually you heard a lot of talking, company pay us. I understood. Company pay us. But who pay the board union? We are the one who pay the board union. If I'm paying you to represent me, and you don't give me the service I need, you don't inform me, you don't give me information, you don't come and talk to me, and there's no one who could come and talk to the board president, you need to be fired, because the job you're supposed to do, you're not doing it. You have to understand that clearly. So let me try to be in Creole a little bit, because I told you this show is going to be in Creole and English. Guys, depuis année passée, nous pas gagné un meeting ensemble avec Board Union. Le plus souvent, les gens meeting avec Board Union, qui ça qui fait, ça que nous t'avons remis connaît, c'est pas eux qui viennent dire nous vraiment vrai. Parce que grand pile bagay que nous t'avons remis connaît que nous pas jamais connaît. Qui ça que nous t'avons remis connaît? Nous t'avons remis connaît qui j'en pension plan nous nous t'avons remis connaît qui ça cap fondé, qui ça cap mettre l'argent dans fonds pension. Parce que qu'on y a là, c'est ça que je me dis, nous avons pile bagay que pour nous t'as parler. Nous pas qu'un président union qui chita qui vient qui dit que bon faut meeting ensemble avec mon ça yo, depuis un an pas parler ensemble avec yo. Même gens tout le monde fait bon fait Zoom. Gagner audio now que président a fait meeting. Monsieur yo choisi pour yo pas parler ensemble avec nous, pour yo pas ban nos renseignements, pour yo pas dire nous ça qu'a fait. C'est seulement ça que yo fait. C'est réduit dans l'argent, non? C'est forcer nous faire ça passe dans le contrat, non? Puis on dit que c'est CITIA, c'est Bodovid à l'aide de COVID-19, mais qui j'en bagaille yo a marché, mais qui j'en bagaille yo a fait. La vie nous en danger, pas de monde qui j'aime vient parler ensemble avec nous. So, c'est ça que n'a parlé aujourd'hui, c'est ça que m'a fait nous ouais aujourd'hui. Côté que c'est très important pour président union lui-même prend une initiative pour chercher une façon pour parler ensemble avec nous-mêmes. Nous en danger parce que vie retourner que yo gagné que y a prend 15% sur nous. Ouais, c'est ça que TikTok ça. So like I said before guys, it is very important to sit to have a meeting at this time with the board union. It is time. Because for so long, for a year, we don't know what is going on. Do we know how our pension plan is, the fund? Do you know how much money is there? Do you know how many members we lost under COVID-19? Okay? Are you alert? We're losing a lot of members since we had the strike. People are dying. People are losing their house. They're losing their job. People end up to be in the other union. How this money getting raised up to back up myself when I retired? Do you have a feeling that the 1181 union could be bankruptcy in a minute? The company don't hire nobody. Company don't hire nobody. If they're hiring people, they're doing something illegal. For me, they're doing something illegal. How they doing something illegal? The board union, they are hiring people. They still taking people money, and while they not even in the union, and take them 1 year to put them in the union. What happened most of the time? Those people have to leave and go into work somewhere else because they don't have no benefits. So, do we have a clear explanation? How much money is there? Where is the money is funded? Who has this money? How this money raising up? We don't know. That's why we need a meeting to talk to the union board. They have to come, especially under COVID-19. Especially under COVID-19, they have to come and talk to us. Guys, if you want to participate, 917-847-1417. Ou capable les connaître là, ou capable les connaître là, ou capable participer. If you want to be participating, 917 847 14 17. Ou capable dire un bagage. 917 847 14 17. Ou capable participer. 917 847 1417. So we need the board union to call for a meeting. Tout le monde fait meeting. Tout le monde parle avec employees. Everywhere have meeting. They have meeting on the phone. They have meeting on WhatsApp. You cannot take a sharp story for him to have his own personal WhatsApp or Facebook to send messages. And what kind of messages those sharp stories is sending out there is just like they are personal. Something happened last week. It's something they doing. It's wrongly what they did the other week. They said picked. It wasn't a pick that's making people confusing. It wasn't. It was a selection of wild. Me, I could saying it like those senior people, maybe they have some connection. They take the wild from other people and give it to the senior to go and do it for a week. That's illegal. Should be a pick on the board. A pick where everybody come in and pick. It should not, the sharp story with calling people. Me, I spoke to a delegate. He said, no, it will be a pick on the board. You know me, I have records. I have voice. That's why they told you politicians, when they talk to you, sometimes they change. Li pa rentre dans cadre côté que son bagay qui illégal côté que monsieur yo semaine passée, yo dit yo fait pic. C'est pas pic, ça pas les pic. Yo fait une sélection, yo prend un one, yo barou. Qui cause un petit damage pour une semaine. En pile pas les fêtes. Les ou tellement qu'on est pour faire ça mal, il faut connaître que ou gen doit refuser les bon nan que ou al collecter et puis que yo toujours payer même l'argent et côté que qu'on a payé assurance pour vous, yo payé union 12 pour vous, yo payé tout carte bagage. Ça fait on ban nèg tant que moi même m'te choisi pour me rester la caille moi yo payé. Combien yo payé? 85%. N'a bien pour nous arriver là. No rep at the workplace. People have to understand when I said there is no rep at the workplace. Those rep, those sharp stories, they show it clear now. I am not going to say they're making money. I am not going to say they making something illegal. But it seems like those sharp stories, those rep, they are working with the office. They are working with the employer. They are not working with us as an employee. This is totally wrong. You could see it. You feel it. There is no such thing, way back there, 5, 6, 7, 8 years. For you to see a sharp story is mostly staying in the office and so close with dispatcher. So close with management. There is no such thing like that. So I am not saying they're doing something illegal. I'm saying it seems like, because anything, any messages, anything that's giving out there now, it is giving in the favor of the company, not in the favor of us. Most of the thing you're listening now, this is what you're listening. That's why I'm saying there is no rep. You're listening, take the bus outside, roll out, go in front of the school. At 9:30 you call, or you go and have them sign your chip card. Go back to the yard at 9:30, and on the afternoon at 3 o'clock, wait until 3 o'clock. That's all you heard. You heard about 85%. You heard about not getting paid. You heard about Board of the DOE said. But you never heard about my union board said. This is totally wrong. Dis-nous encore, mais ça m'a expliqué en créole pour nous capables de comprendre très bien. Il ressemble que rep ça que nous gagnons, quand on a parlé dans le deuxième sujet, nous pas gagné représentant. Tout représentant nous gagnons au moment actuel, il ressemble que c'est avec compagnie y a travail. Parce que tout message qui pote ban nous, tout ça qui affecte nous, chaque story la vient délivrer ban nous, li délivrer sorti directement by compagnie à compagnie. Moi me dis nous encore, li pas professionnel pour gagner yon rep, pour gagner yon chaque story, puis gagner yon personnel website ou bien yon personnel Facebook ou bien yon personnel WhatsApp pour la mettre information. Et parfois, information, ça va mettre, il va mettre information qui gagne en tête à union. Monsieur, il fait comme quoi, il a dirigé, il a fait en pile, ça qui a fait à la manière, mettre compagnon comme quoi, bonne union pas existé. Ou pas ta ka, yon sharp story, pour qu'on ait clairement, à partir de 6 heures du soir, on compagnie carré le monde, on va prendre téléphone. Si son bagay qu'on fait qui est illégal, qui a besoin de venir arrêter, il y a une adresse, il y a venir arrêter dans l'adresse koto. Mais à partir de 6 heures du soir, moi-même, Alex Calix, je pas allowed no one at 6 o'clock to call you. For a sharp story to call you at 6 o'clock and to call you when he call you, say, oh, Alex, this is so and so, so and so. So call me back ASAP at 6 o'clock. And they call me at the office phone number. At the office phone number. So when you see it's your company phone number, so you will pick up. I don't have no deal with no company at 6 o'clock. You have to wait until I come back. The next morning. It is the law. You don't know your law. You don't know your rules and your regulation. This is United States of America. This is not Santo Domingo. This is not Haiti. This is not Puerto Rico. This is not India. This is not China. This is not Japan. This is not West Africa or East Africa. This is United States of America. There is law and regulation in this country. If you don't feel like to follow them and to use them the way the government give it to you, people will never respect you. I say that. Me, I don't know about you. Me, myself, I said I don't have no deal with a company after 6 o'clock. It is clear and sure. When you left work, you have 1 hour after you finish punching or you left the company, you have 1 hour covered. According to National Labor Board, according to workers' compensation. Workers' compensation is telling you, when you left work, you have covering for 1 hour. And 1 hour going home and 1 hour coming back. Most of you say, always saying, I'm giving fake news. Go and find out what I'm telling you. So pour nous même qui branchons là, attendez bien ça que m'a dit nous. Les si tellement injuste, les si tellement pas faire, les si tellement pas professionnel, nous gagnons chaque story dans yad yo, nous gagnons représentant yo qui prend so much power pour yo faire ça yo vle pour yo di nous tout ça que yo vle dans façon pa yo appuyer compagnie yo. Li pas la loi, li pas nice, li pas bon pour bonne union parce que c'est bonne union me dit qu'il à cause ça. Côté que bonne union là yo même yo gen un private WhatsApp, yo gen un private Facebook, yo gen un private website, moun yo vle monter sous li. M'konne, m'pa faire personnalité, il gon website. Non, pas un website, non, il gon Facebook. You know how many times I tried to be on that Facebook and they denied me because it's Alex Calix. They denied me. Okay? My delegate, I don't want to mention name. If you see my uniform, you know where I work for. You know who I work for. My delegate. How many times I call my delegate? Never answer the phone. It's not only me. It's about time now we need to talk. We need to talk, guys. I know it's COVID-19. COVID-19, people have to protect themselves. But you could put your mask on. When you want me to come to work, so you say you are following protocol. You stay more than 6 feet from me with your mask. You don't even shake hands to deliver me and to tell me the company will pay 85%. But you cannot come to give me a justification for that 15%. We need to talk. That's why I'm telling you there is no rep. We don't have no rep. No pas gagné rep. We don't have no rep. Because the rep have to show his presence in the workplace for you. But now we have the rep going back and forth in the office. And most of those information, the rep are bringing you outside there. It is in the favor of the company. There is no one you could talk. Don't you know the phone those delegates has or have? You are the one who contribute and paying the line for you to call and you don't have no answer. We need a meeting as soon as possible. We need someone to come and talk to us. We need that. Okay. We need still explanation. We need still explanation. Nous besoin yon meeting. Nous besoin yon meeting le plus vite que possible pour soit Board Union fait ensemble avec nous. We need a meeting as soon as possible. Either the Board Union or the delegate come in and talk to the whole entire school bus industry, especially 1181. Nous besoin yon meeting pour monsieur Kavin parler ensemble avec nous. Because depuis un an, nous pas gagné un meeting. Since 1 year, we don't have no one talking to us. We don't have no meeting. We don't know nothing what is going on in the 1181 union. That's a shame. That's a shame. The company always saying, I am the one who paying you. You know what the Board Union always saying? You're lucky you have a job. I understand that. But now, today, me, Alex Calixter, I have to tell the Board Union, I am the one who's supposed to tell you, you're lucky you have a job. Because I am the one who pay you. The same way the company I'm saying, who pay you, I call you to come to work. I am paying you and I call you on the phone and you don't answer the phone. You don't return the call. You put a puppet there and you're telling the puppet what to say, what to do, and the puppet show it clearly. He is working for the company. He is working for the company. I am not going to say he's making deal with the company. I am not going to say he's making money with the company. But something people cannot explain. People cannot tell. I saw so many people there. Maybe they want to say something. Guys, I saw Legend there. When my love, when tout le monde. Happy late Thanksgiving, guys. So you could call. You could call 917-847-1417. 917-847-1417. Ou carrelé 917-847-1417. 917-847-1417. Ça n'a pas aller très important. Nous besoin d'une explication côté 85% ça a aller. Toute bagarre 85%. Toute bagarre 85%. Mes amis, enough is enough. Pendant que je dis enough is enough là, nous refusons de mettre ensemble. When I say enough is enough, those guys, we never want to be together. And at least me, myself, I call for a meeting as soon as possible. I cannot do it myself. It looks like you put me on the front to see how I'm going to do things, and later on you're going to say, oh, he's talking, and leave it there. No. Don't leave me by myself. You leave me by myself. You leave me by myself. Even I'm not really by myself. God is with me. Labor Department is with me. Even I could be a victim, but God is not going to drop me all the way down. I know some people, let me see if some people wanna talk, or some people wanna be. Maybe, guys, it's impossible. If you, people could reject when I send them the invitation. Sometimes it's hard, to add people. So, what I'm saying, it's very important, because we want our rep. When I say our rep, we need the president to call for a meeting, either in Zoom. It could be in Zoom. Could be on Facebook. It could be on Audio Now. Could be on Audio Now. Okay? When I used to run Radio Citadel Inter in a kind of way in the FM, I usually have Audio Now. I could still doing it. I could put 10,000 people talking, and now it's more sophisticated. The president could stay in the office, and he took each members by name and by social security if they want to ask question, or make advance arrangement. If somebody want to ask question, give your name and your telephone number. Soon you there, they log you in and you could ask question. It's dangerous like that most of the time, because they might have their own people to call. So, where we going at this present time with 1181, guys? Qui côté nous pour aller exactly avec 1181? Ou pas feel like something is fishy? Or I feel like something could be happening in a minute? There's a big company. That's why I told you that we have so many things we could be talking today. Gen un pile bagay nou kapab parler jodi ya. Bagay qui pa fait nèg yo plaisir, bagay qui fait nèg yo rete bekeke. Like Reliant. There is no one come in and tell us about the Reliant. They fought, our on-board union fought with Reliant members. They dragged them. They hanged them with bad contract. Now what happened? We don't hear anything. We have to know about Reliant. Reliant have more than 2,000 people working. They have 1,000 driver and plus escort. Reliant is big. Even the city saying that. So, if the city taking over, there is rule and regulation. It might be like that. It might not be like that. Reliant might be for the city, but they still keeping 1181. They have other union on MTA. There is rule and regulation saying if a worker working for the city, they have to be coverage. They have to have a union that's covering the city workers. So what's going to be happening with those 2,000 people? We're going to lose them. I don't know how they're going to do it because they management. I don't know. I'm not going to say we're going to lose. I say if we lose it, if we lose those members, what's going to be happening? We're losing 2,000 members. So how the union will bring 2,000 members fast to contribute on the union fund? We need explanation about that. We need explanation because a lot of people dying. When we have track, people dying. When COVID-19, people dying. The treatment the board union and the company giving the members, killing them, they force them retired. You see? So, what about the fund? What about the money? Second, when they're hiring people, the company don't hire people. You don't see ship that much in those companies. So when they're hiring people, even they contribute in the fund, in the pension fund, and in the medical. So what you see people leaving, they go into MTA, they go into Uber. C'est ça, c'est vérité que yé. Là que moun yo rentre dans compagnie yo, pourvu que yo pas gen bon traitement, famille yo a prêté 3 ans avant gen bénéfice. 1 an pour yo même rentrer dans union, puis yo gen bénéfice. Moun an plutôt faire Uber. Laisse ça. Ou pas gen 9 membres dans 1111 pour qui backup pension plan. Pas gen. Reliant n'a demandé pour moun Reliant yo. Moun Reliant yo konya là, you belong to the city. So, Reliant people now, ça qui passe konya là. Reliant, c'est une big compagnie qui a fait de 2000 chauffeurs. Mélangés avec escorte. Si pas 3000 même, c'est chance. Alors, si vous perdez 2500 à 2000 membres, qui j'ai pas fait? Une transition qui a fait. Si il y a une loi qui établit, qui dit tout le monde qui travaille pour Citia, supposé couvrir par une union qui baille Citia service. On côté est bon pour nous tout parce que nèg commencé à trembler parce que si on vient faire deal ensemble avec Citia lui-même gain droit dit tout même Jean Bloomberg te dit que comment faire groupe moun sa yo a touché un cob et puis pour gon patient qui pas touché même cob qui pas gain IPP et puis Bloomberg aller pour les drop IPP et ben c'est même Jean Citia pour venir dire tout qu'on y a là Simbari la yo contrat tout le monde dans l'industrie a supposé gagner même contrat, supposé gagner même union. Si pour d'accord pour même Bersa yo rete dans 1111 qui font deal ensemble avec Citia, c'est pour tout le monde qui dans 1111 gagne même contrat. C'est pour yo gagner même contrat. Et je crois dans ça. I believe on this where the city already made some good investigation and they already know how the 1111 are working and they might saying we need only one contract for everybody. If not, they will pull out those 2,000 members and our pension plan are in danger. Nobody could join to union. So you're going to have to pay 1111 union dues or whatever medical, and you're going to have to pay the city on the side for union dues. No. So that's why we need a talk. We need a talk in the yard. We don't have no rep. The rep we might have on our yard, I'm talking about the whole yard, the whole company, not only the Pioneer, Consolidated, all over. Barbies, those rep showing us they are more flexible to work with the company right now in the COVID-19 than working with us. Any information that's giving us, it came from the company to protect the company. It's clear, guys. So, I understand that. So, if you still want to be participant and say something, guys, you could still calling now. Calling now 917-847-1417. Just now. So I am not the only one. Moi-même seul dans School Boss Industria. Si m'pa pote yon information, message pas passé. Si je ne parle de School Bus Industry sur Facebook, tant qu'on me fait sur Radio Style Inter, sur FM, non, pas de monde qui parle. So, c'est moi seulement qui touché. C'est moi seulement qui prend 15% sur lui. C'est moi seulement qui a un yeux qui ouais que pension nous. Lui-même, il a un problème. Il y a un pile dans nous qui pas connaît ça qui est l'investissement. Ou ka investi dans 401k, ou ka investi dans Credit Union, ou ka investi dans l'autre mutual fund plan qui gagne, c'est de quoi pour préparer le après le retire. Nous vînes pas safe au moment actuel dans 1181. We are not safe on 1181 Union. We don't know if we are going to get paid when we take our pension, because it seems like the phone, it seems like we don't have that kind of member. It seems like something will be happen. How we feel, me myself, I feel it since the president took that power since 12 years. And there is nothing, maybe they have certain things that's be doing that could be on our favor. But the only one thing I know from the union board, it's our pension. The money we're paying raised up. Union dues raised up. We have deduction from those companies. Deduction where they took 15% each of the time. The union don't say anything. The union don't say anything. How come? Last week, anybody who do not work, you still get 85%. But even you go and collecting, they still paying you. They still pay your medical and the union dues. And while where they saying the DOT don't pay them, the DOT pay them every month. We are in December. If you get paid every month, why if DOT close school you have to pay me 85%? Why if my school is closed you have to pay me 85%? If I don't show up to work and drive inside, you pay me 85%. Why is that? Guys, it is very important, guys. It is nice and talk. The reason we have this little bit of talk, it's because we left behind the school bus industry. We don't have nobody taking for us. The federal, the government, the city left us behind. There is no plan and planification for a school bus driver or escort in the COVID-19. They lying to us. They were telling us we have to follow protocol. They were saying they're giving materials to clean the bus. They're giving us masks. They're giving us gloves. They give you 3 pairs of gloves since the school were open. Okay? The way they're treating you like a slave. Like, if you don't come to work, they're deducting your money. You see? And we have a board union. They never want to meet with us since last year. We don't know what is going on. It shows us we don't have no rep at the place. The rep we have, they still working for the office. They have a little bit of booth or a little bit of office. They don't stay in there. They stay mostly in the company office. That's where they stay. They worried about route that goes out. They worried about route or people who's doing 2, 3, 4 routes. They worry about their friends, what kind of route they have. That's what they worry about. Take a look. I am taking my full responsibility. I am taking my full responsibility on what I'm saying right now. I could go to Pioneer and get fired. I am already ready. Anything happen when I say the rep, you have to represent me. Even the rep will come with his heart to come and represent me. I know he will left me behind because I'm telling the truth. Because I'm telling the truth. What I'm saying is true. I don't see Eduardo in our office that much the way he is in the office. I am not going to tell you he's doing something illegal or he's doing something fishy. No. But mostly, I don't see him delivering so much info concerning us. Because Eduardo should take my message, send it to the delegate, and the delegate could take it to the president. We need a talk not only at Pioneer. We need a talk in the school bus industry. We need a talk. If I call my delegate, I cannot find him. Not even his phone taking messages. It's not only me calling. It's not only me calling. Anybody else who's calling. So, I don't have the president phone number. If I call the union just now, say, may I speak to the president of the union? They will ask who. They will tell me he's not available. Leave your name. He will call you back when he's available. He will never call back. We need a meeting. We need a meeting. As soon as possible. We want to know certain things in the school bus industry, 1181, especially 1181. We want to know what is going on our union. So this is another crisis again. The COVID-19 raised up. But now we have more school not working. It's 1 week and a half before Christmas. More schools are closing. More kids staying home. The only one thing we heard, you have to still go into the school. You have to still rolling out. Go in front of the school 9:30. After 9:30, you have to come back. Wait until the dispatcher to directing you. And 3 o'clock, before 3 o'clock, you have to be in front of the school until 3:30. This is what we heard. This is what we know. We know also anytime somebody have a school closed, they drop you to 85%. And there is no such. We hear when someone have school for 3 days and 2 days not working, they drop you 3 days that you work full, and those 2 days you not working, they drop you 85%. This is what we know. Or they call you to come and ship for those 2 days, or you're not going to get paid. Who promoted? The shop steward. Who's telling people to do it? The shop steward. The board union. We know the shop steward is official from the board union. But the official are you, shop steward. You represent me. You are fully represent me. You are the one who first could go and tell the union, but those guys, they are not agree with the 85%. You have to come up with a meeting right away. But the shop steward don't do it. I took my full responsibility. I don't know if other company are like that. And Pioneer Bronx, for me, I don't know for you, I don't feel like the shop steward is represent me, because mostly he is in the office. He is delivering the office messages. Then coming and tell me when I'm going to have a meeting. Then telling me it's unfair for those guys. Anytime school is closing, they paying me 85%. I'm going to take you to the labor board to have a grievance about that. I never hear that about Eduardo. I am not trying to criticize him. I am not trying, I don't have anything personal. But if people vote you to represent them, you have to represent them the way the law saying you have to represent them. We all are bunches of, like I could say, goat in a big yard, and we don't have no owners. We don't have nobody to protecting us. We don't have nobody we could talk. The only one thing we could do is just like, you know, those dispatcher, the management, mostly of those dispatchers is getting morally aggressive when you ask them something. The only one thing they're telling you, do this, do that. If you don't do it, and then you're not going to get paid. And then you're going to get 85%. I take my responsibility. We don't have reps and pioneer. Me, I don't have reps. Because if something happened to me, I'm going to be on my own because I know I'm already on the list. Because I want to work with a sharp steward. I want everybody to work with a sharp steward. We are not going to send a sharp steward to fight. We are not going to send a sharp steward to close the shop. Because that's where we work. But we want a sharp steward to represent us. If you cannot handle it, let the delegate handle it. If the delegate doesn't handle it, then it's going to the whole entire board union. If the whole entire board union cannot handle it, and then it's going to labor department or a private investigator or lawyer. A lawyer. So this little bit of talking is about meeting with 1181 board. We want to meet with you guys as soon as possible. I don't know how you're going to do it. There's Zoom. We want to hear from you. And people could ask questions. You have to answer questions. We are not going to meet where we have a president, when you ask him question and he dump you, he drop you, he say, I don't want no more question from him. So next. No, we don't want that. People asking you 2-3 questions. You have to answer. I am the one who pay you. I am paying you. You don't give me service and I cannot say, you know, you're fired. What is that? So guys, this is where I'm going to leave you. That's a nice, I will have so many shows. I don't want no one to take this show personally. It's a big confusion out there. Li très confused. M'pa vle moun prend personnel. M'di non, m'a dit en créole, m'pa fil la que moi-même prend full responsabilité. M'pa ouais que m'gagné yon représentant dans Payoni, représentant que m'gagné dans Payoni Bronx là, que li montre clairement que la travaille avec compagnie, parce que tout message, tout ça que li vin dit, tout ça que li vin bay en faveur à compagnie, et leur riposte, il montre épinay ve passo. Au moment COVID-19, malgré son petit bouvre gagné là dans Payoni comme Sharp Steward Office, moi ouais Eduardo, ouais me full responsabilité, me maintenant moi Eduardo lui-même il était plus dans office là fait back and forth tant que lui-même il était dans office là pour nous-mêmes pour nous venir poser des questions. Parce que n'importe office là, lui-même qui ça le mettait numéro téléphoné avec assistant, mais il était plus dans office là. Il était bon, qu'on est là ça démontre que c'est seul mouvement trip là qui était important dans Payoni qui fait nèg qu'on était dans office ou bien chita dehors qu'on n'a pas gain trip qui ça qui est important pour régler comme un Sharp Steward en dans un office ou pas dispatcher ou pas management. Ou pas dispatcher, ou pas management. Pendant ce temps, il y a des choses que je ne pas dit. Il y a des choses que je ne pas dit. Tout forcer un Sharp Steward à forcer son monde, tout autant qu'il n'y a pas 3 heures pour parler la carole, ou bien même si on c'est pour aller à l'baïsien. Mais moi, depuis 2 heures, depuis 1 heure, ou bien depuis le matin, on finit de jouer à petit monde, j'allais la caillou, c'est ça fait mes téléphones à eux pour aller, yo. Et puis ou même yo dit que c'est pour rester là. Ouais yo. Monsieur c'est là nan y a de la mchita. M'gap gade en haut, m'gade en bas, m'gade tout ça qui a passé. Moi là tout monde sorti, moi là mon rentré, moi moun qui fait route, moi boss moun qui était pas quelque part, jamais vinn cap toucher. Et puis quand l'autre monde fait, n'a brûlé en moi. Quand l'autre monde fait, n'a critiqué. Pour qui ça? C'est parce que nous pas réellement gagné une union vraiment vraie. Bye bye tout le monde. À la prochaine, Kembe Palage, share cette vidéo ça pour moi, tant pour souple. La bonne en pile.